For this video, I am going to teach you how to fix disappeared or missing contacts on an iPhone. So you can do different troubleshooting steps if you are experiencing this problem. And the first thing that you can do is to simply restart your iPhone. So restarting your iPhone can fix many minor glitches or issues, including problems with syncing contacts. So it refreshes the system and clears any temporary bugs. And to do that, just simply hold down the power button or the power plus the upper volume button on an iPhone with Face ID until the power off slider appears. So slider to turn off the iPhone, and after about 10 seconds, just hold the power button again until you see the Apple logo. And once the earbuds or the phone reboots, check if the contacts are restored. Next, what you can do is to check the iCloud contact sync. So if your iCloud contact sync is disabled, your contacts might not show up. So iCloud is often used to store and sync contacts across Apple devices, so making sure the sync is active is important. So go to your settings on your iPhone, tap on your name on the top of the screen or the Apple ID banner and select iCloud. Scroll down to the contacts and make sure that the toggle is green or turned on. So if it is off, your iPhone is not syncing contacts with iCloud, which may explain the disappearance. So if it is already on, toggle it off, wait a few seconds and turn it back on to force a new sync with iCloud. So this step often refreshes the contact data. So next, what you can do also is to check other accounts linked to your contacts. So if you have linked other accounts like Gmail or Outlook, they could be the source of your contacts. So if the syncing for those accounts is off, the contacts stored there won't appear on your phone. So open your settings again and go to contacts and then head over to the account. It should be the second option right there. So once you're in here, check accounts like Gmail or your Outlook or any third party email accounts are listed. So tap each account to see if the contacts option is enabled. So if contacts was already enabled, toggle it off, wait a few moments, and then toggle it back on to force a fresh sync from email provider. So now, what you can do lastly is to re-add your iCloud account. Sometimes iCloud accounts may experience syncing issues or glitches, so removing their and re-adding the account can clear up these issues and resync your contacts. So again, just go to your settings, and in your settings, just head over to the contacts again, and then head to the accounts, and then tap on to your iCloud account. After that, what you need to do is to scroll down until you see the sign out button. So once you have done that, you just don't worry if you did do this, because this only removes the account from iPhone and won't actually delete your contacts stored in your iCloud. So restart your iPhone to refresh its memory and remove any like remaining sync glitches. So after that, just re-add the iCloud account by going back to your settings, contacts, accounts, and then click on to the add account and sign in with your Apple ID credentials. So once added, iCloud will resync your contacts. So that's basically it. Those are different troubleshooting steps that you can do if you are having trouble with disappearing or missing contacts in your iPhone. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.